Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Huma, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to discuss exercise of chapter number 14, which is Overcoat. So let's move on to our first question, which is MCQs. Choose the correct answer. What was the color of the overcoat of the young man? It was red, it was brown, it was green, it was black. And the correct answer is it was brown. The second one is, what happened when the evening advanced? The weather became pleasant, the cold became more intense, the pleasant air began to blow, the sky was covered with clouds and it started raining. And the correct answer is B. The cold became more intense. The third one is, what was the condition of the overcoat which the young man was wearing? It was old, it was new, it was ragged, it was full of dust. And the correct answer is, it was old. The fourth one is, when the young man visited the music shop, what did he find? There were musical instruments in the shop. There was nothing in the shop. He found many people in the shop. There were books in the shop. And the correct answer is A. There were musical instruments in the shop. The next one is, when the young man died in the hospital after the accident, what amount of money was discovered on him? Rupees 200 only 6 annas and a few pies. Nothing was found in his pocket, only rupees 51. And the correct answer is only 6 annas and a few pies. Sixth one is, what were the names of two nurses who were on duty in the hospital? Nasreen and Jamila, Shahnaz and Gil, Zakiya and Suraya, Zahida and Kausar. And the correct answer is Shahnaz and Gil. Seventh one is, what was the owner of the shop wearing on his head? A cap, a silk turban, wearing nothing, a handkerchief of green color. And the correct answer is silk turban. The eighth one is, after accident when the driver sped away, what were the words which were uttered by the passers-by? Catch him, stop him, kill him, follow him. And the correct answer is stop him. Ninth one is, after the accident, what was the state of the young man? He was in a very precarious state. He was in a stable state. He was in a normal state. He bled profusely. And the correct answer is he was in a very precarious state. The last one is, after the accident, what was the first thing removed from the body of the young man? Overcoat, shoes and socks, white silk scarf, an old cotton sweater. And the correct answer is white silk scarf. So we are done with the exercise of MCQs. I hope you have understood this exercise very well. Thank you.